So today I'm going to film a tutorial on my everyday makeup look, just things I do like when I'm going to school, work, whatever. Anytime I wear makeup, this is my go-to look. So if you like how this look turned out, just keep watching.
Okay guys, so I went ahead and primed my face using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and now I'm going in with my Dior Airflash foundation. It's a spray foundation, and I'm using that with a damp beauty blender. So next I'm going in with the Maybeline Fitme concealer in the shade number 10. I love this concealer. I think it's a good dupe for the NARS Creamy Concealer. And I'm just going to highlight my nose, my under eye, and anywhere where I have blemishes that I want to cover up. And then I'm going in with my damp beauty blender again to blend that out. So here I'm just finishing blending out that concealer, and now here's me jamming out to a song, Lil Wayne of course. And I also forgot to mention that I did my brows off camera, but I will maybe be doing a brow tutorial soon. So now I'm going to set my whole entire face using the I Want Kandee Johnson and Too Faced collab, their banana powder, and it actually smells like banana pudding and I love it. And I'm just going to set my whole entire face, and I'm using a brush that I got off of Amazon, so I'm not too sure what it's called. So for my contour today, I'm going in with the new Tarte Park Ave Princess palette, and I'm going to use that 4th shade down, contour my cheekbones, and the brush I'm using is off of Amazon. Now to warm up my face, I'm going in with the MAC Gimme Sun Bronzer. I love this bronzer. It's very orange, so if you don't like orange bronzers, then this one probably isn't for you. It has a subtle sheen to it, but it's nothing crazy. So I'm also using an Amazon brush just to warm up my face a little bit. Now I'm taking a fluffy crease brush and just using that same MAC bronzer, and I'm just going to throw that in the crease. Honestly, on a day-to-day basis, I never use eyeshadow. I really only do it if I'm going somewhere special or creating a look on Instagram or something, so this is the most that I'll ever do on my eyes. So now I'm going to go in with these new lashes I picked up from Ulta the other day. They are from Pur Cosmetics and they're in the style Diva. They're very fluttery and wispy. I love wearing lashes like these because you can wear them up to 30 times as long as you take care of them. And they just get really easy to put on. Sometimes it's easier than wearing mascara. Okay, I'm back. So I just popped my lashes on and I added some mascara to the tops and bottoms. For mascara, I use the Essence Volume Lash Extension Mascara. I think it's new and you can pick it up at Ulta for around $4. Now I picked up my e.l.f. tapered brush. I got it at Target for about $3. And I'm going in with my favorite highlight of all time. It's the Casey Holmes Spotlight palette with Smashbox, and it's in the color Pearl. And I honestly just mix all the shades together, and I'm just going in and hitting the high points of my face. Tips of my nose, tops of my cheekbone, Cupid's bow, you know the drill. So I decided I'm also going to go in with my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Metallic Strobe palette. I love that middle shade, and I'm just using the same brush that I had used with the previous highlight. I believe this was limited edition at Sephora. I picked it up before the holidays, but I freaking love this palette. if you can still get your hands on this palette, I highly recommend. It's very metallic and perfect if you like blinding highlights. So now I'm going in with my favorite lip liner, and that is from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Soar, and I'm just going to outline my lips. Now I'm going over that lip liner with the Kylie Cosmetics gloss in the shade So Cute. I love this lip gloss because I love nude glosses, and this is like my perfect shade of nude for my lips and my skin tone, and I like the formula of these glosses a lot. Lastly, I'm just going to hit my face with the Smashbox Primer Water. If you were wondering if you need this in your life, the answer is yes. I swear by this stuff. I think it makes your powders melt together so nicely, and it also is good for priming too. Alright guys, that is the end of my everyday makeup look tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and liked how my makeup look turned out. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much.